Wooden floors are decorative and nice to walk on barefoot. If your floor is new, you will probably want to protect and keep it for a long time. If your floor is used, it may need a new treatment with a high-quality floor finish. In this video, we will show you how to treat your floor in order to obtain the longest possible durability and the best-looking result. If your wooden floor has been treated with oil or wax, please note that this needs to be removed completely in order to obtain a good result. You will need to sand the floor thoroughly until all traces of wax or oil have been removed. For previously treated floors, we recommend sanding before applying a new top coat. Make sure that the sanding is done evenly on the entire surface. Make sure that you remove all sanding dust. When you are certain that your surface has been sanded and cleaned properly, you are ready to apply primer. We recommend using primer for better adhesion of the top coat and in order to obtain a better and quicker drying. Apply the primer with a brush along the edges and with a roller on the bigger surfaces. Allow to dry for 1 to 3 hours. When the primer is dry, the floor should be sanded lightly using sandpaper grit 120 to 180 along the wood grain in order to achieve optimum adhesion and a uniform result. Now you are ready to apply the two-component floor finish. Before doing so, you will need to mix the floor finish and the hardener. The varnish and hardener should be mixed in the ratio 1 to 9. So if you're using the whole 4.5 liter varnish, you can add the whole bottle of hardener. Shake the mixture well for at least 1 minute and leave to settle for 10 minutes. The packaging has been designed for reuse. Unfold the plastic bag and use it to line the cardboard box. Shake the mixture again and pour it into the plastic-lined cardboard box. Use the filter to hold back any impurities. Apply the varnish with a brush along the edges. Apply on small areas and then change to the roller, so you will be working wet on wet to avoid any visible borders between brush and roller application. Dip the roller into the cardboard box and apply the varnish in even strokes. Please note that once the hardener has been added, the mixture is suitable for use for the next 1.5 hours. After this, you must throw away the mixture and make anew if necessary. Allow the floor finish to dry for 1.5 hours before applying the second coat. Follow the same procedure as the first coat when mixing floor finish and hardener. Apply second coat with a brush along the edges and finish off by applying the floor finish by roller on the rest of the surface. You can safely work with GORI 53 floor finish, as it is not harmful to your health, neither during application nor in the subsequent use of the room. The varnished surface can be used after 3 days. Always use as little water as possible during cleaning. And do not use any water or cleaning agents in the room for the first week after varnishing, as any spills of water or cleaning agents may leave permanent marks on the floor. GORI, the Scandinavian wood care experts.